जब कोई हमसे रास्ता पूछता है या फिर हम जब किसी से रास्ता पूछते हैं तो किस तरह के सवाल जवाब होते हैं, उनको इंग्लिश में बोलने का सही तरीका क्या होता है, हमारा अगला एक्सरसाइज इसी पे आधारित है।
Our next exercise is based on asking and giving directions in a correct manner. Choose properly from the given options.
It's the second road, the left, at, to, on.
It's the second road on the left.
Right at the crossroads. Turn to the.
Turn right at the crossroads.
Go. The bridge. At. Over.
Go over the bridge.
Turn right. Pali Street. In. To. At.
Turn right at Pali Street.
It's the end of the street. In. At.
It's at the end of the street.
Go straight ahead. The traffic lights. At. In. On.
Go straight ahead at the traffic lights.
Go Oxford Street for half a mile. In. Down.
Go down Oxford Street for half a mile.
Go the station. Past.
Go past the station.
Go the path. Above. Along.
Go along the path.
After 100 meters, you to a turning. Go, come.
After 100 meters, you come to a turning. Words that may confuse you. Ever and never.
ये दो शब्द से हम अक्सर कंफ्यूज होते हैं। ये वर्ड्स हैं ever यानी कि कभी और never कभी नहीं।
We have now reached the section of confusable words such as ever and never. You need to choose which of these or whether both of these would suit the sentence. Go ahead. Choose the correct answer.
I've seen her do that. Ever. Never.
I've never seen her do that.
Ever and never are adverbs. True, false.
The answer is true because they qualify the verb.
I have had trouble since I bought it. Ever or never.
I have had trouble ever since I bought it.
I am surprised that you have done it before. Ever. Never.
I am surprised that you have never done it before.
Have you tried it? Ever? Never. Or either could be used.
Here, both are correct. Have you never tried it? And have you ever tried it?
Haven't you been there? Ever? Never. Either could be used.
Haven't you ever been there?
It's been this bad before. Ever? Never. Either could be used.
It's never been this bad before.
और आज की आखिरी एक्सरसाइज है few और little पर। आपको इन दोनों में से किसी एक को चुनना है।
The last exercise for today is choosing between few and little. Let us understand the different usages of few. For example,
I have few notebooks. This means you have very less. I have a few memories. This means you have some memories. I have few memories.
this means you have very less memories or none at all. An example of the word little.
I have a little pasta left.
Choose the correct answer.
I have a friends. Few, little.
The correct answer is I have a few friends.
He has very patience with me. Few, little.
He has very little patience with me.
There's only a sugar left. Few, little.
There's only a little sugar left.
I've done it a times. Few, little.
I've done it a few times.
I saw a films at the weekend. Few, little.
I saw a few films at the weekend.
I got very spare time. Few, little.
I've got very little spare time.
I've only read a pages of the book so far. Few, little.
I've only read a few pages of the book so far.
I would like a milk in my tea, please. Few, little.
I would like a little milk in my tea, please.
Only a tickets were sold for the concert. Few, little.
Only a few tickets were sold for the concert.
I'd like a more chicken, please. Few, little.
I'd like a little more chicken, please.
इस VCD को स्टडी करने से जो आम गलतियां आप इंग्लिश के सेंटेंसेस में करते हैं वो खत्म हो जाएंगे। इसलिए जब भी आपके पास वक्त हो तो आप इस पैकेज के साथ मिले वर्ड पावर और सेंटेंस पावर VCDs को बार बार देखें और अपनी गलतियों को सुधारें और इन्हीं prepositions, adjectives, verbs और adverbs के साथ अपने खुद के 20 sentences रोज बनाकर बोलकर और लिखकर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं जब तक कि नेचुरली आपके सेंटेंसेस ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट ना हो जाएं।
Bye and see you tomorrow.
Bye. See you tomorrow.